Socra is a platform that allows you to deploy AI agents to help with any task. And apparently, there's a lot of functionality in here. So I figured, let me try this out because if it works, it could actually be solving a whole lot of different problems that are faced in tech and, marketing, research, and content creation in general. If this is your first time here, my name is JI, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to click on this Start Here button just so we can have an overview of what we can do here with Socra. So apparently Socra is here to transform biggest challenges and ideas into unstoppable momentum and real results. Okay, cool. So what's the first challenge you want us to tackle? I'm going to put in something that's, pretty generic, like let's say catch me or help me find a flight from London to Miami sometime next month. Let's go with that. Help me find a flight from London, UK to Miami any time, let's say in June. Cool, let's go with that. Just decided to search the internet. Don't get any reply here. Okay, cool. So nice. That's actually pretty cool. It's giving me a couple options, so I can go on British Airways, Virgin Atlantic. It's also giving me the starting price, which is quite useful. Both airlines offer direct flights, 8 hours and 40 minutes, daily departures, full services. And it gives me a list of the services as well. That's pretty cool. Would you prefer me to find specific dates in June that have the best prices? I like this. I think it's really important for language models to ask follow-up questions to essentially prompt the user as well, because of course we prompt these large language models so that they can prompt us to make wiser decisions. So yeah, let's go for a more specific date. Let's say between 15th of June to the 20th. And let's go with let's just say sort by let's say most expensive to least expensive. Sweet, let's go with that. It's deciding to search the internet again. Okay. I think I saw there it said note to self, I've already done this search, which is quite interesting. It's cool to see the way it actually speaks to itself. I think that's always useful, similar to the reasoning models that are out there at the moment. And it looks like you can also respond with emojis, which is quite useful. You can copy the output if you want, or you can, I think this is to edit what you got out of the language model, which is quite useful. Okay, cool. So we've got business, first class, and we've got the prices here. We've got premium economy, we've got economy as well. So insider tip, the North Atlantic flight is the sweet spot. New airline, full service, same comfort as others, but better value. Want me to grab specific flight times for any of these? Wow, this is pretty cool. I'm quite impressed already. And I'm just trying this out. I'm not going to go too deeply into it. I'm going to leave that to you all here. But this looks like a really cool platform. I know their pricing structure is also, not too bad. Let's go into it over. Let me just try and find it. Let me go into the settings. And let's go into upgrade plan, say upgrade to pro. So yeah, as you can see, they've got a pro version as well. If you want to pay for it monthly, it's $10 a month, which isn't actually too bad. I quite like this product. I think it's really useful. I'll definitely be trying it out more often, because it's essentially like an AI agent that can scour the web and provide you with real-time up-to-date information, which is very useful. So of course you can use this for solutions related to content creation and research. It'd be interesting to see if they ever implement any form of automation. Maybe it's already here, but I haven't actually found it. But it seems quite like a robust platform, and you can actually use it with a team as well, which is quite useful. You can set tasks by priority and filter by due date as well. So this can essentially work as a to-do list for an entire team. Let's say they're working on a project, which is quite cool. We've also got the inbox here as well, which can be, messages that you create for yourself or for other team members. So it's kind of like your emails as well, all in one, which is pretty cool. And then you've got notifications here too. You can also create some journeys. I think journeys would probably, maybe these are, specific projects you want to work on. But yeah, this is definitely a platform you want to look into because it seems very useful. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatGPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatGPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.